to make money with Amazon affiliates. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new method that will make you able to make money. If you are consistent, it will make you able to make money with Amazon affiliates. So the first thing we will need for this method is a Pinterest.com account and an Amazon.com account, and to be specific, an Amazon Associates account. So to create your Amazon Associates account, you will head to this site, which is Amazon Associates, of course, and you will give them your information and create your account in minutes, and you will wait for it to be approved. It takes from 24 hours to 48 hours, and after it's approved, you will go to Amazon.com and sign in with the email you created with the account created by the account of your Amazon Associates, and you will see this gray bar in the top, and this gray bar will allow you to get your affiliate links. So let's go back to Pinterest.com, and for Pinterest.com we will use it to promote the affiliate links that we will get from Amazon. So the thing we will do is we will choose a niche that we are going to work on and see the famous or the viral products on that niche and browse through them and get the inspiration and the idea and go create our own posts. I will say it again, create your own posts. Don't copy and paste other creators' posts because Pinterest will deactivate your account. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to copy and paste other creators' posts because I don't want the video to be too long for you. So let's get into it. Let's choose a niche, and I'm going to choose the home cleaning and maintenance niche. So this is the niche I'm going with, which is the home cleaning and maintenance. So let's just go with the home cleaning keyword. And let's go with equipment, home cleaning equipment. And here we can see a lot of equipments. So let's see if we can find something that we can. If we can find a product that we can promote with Amazon affiliates. So let's check. See if we can find a good product. So let's go with gadgets. Home cleaning gadgets. Home cleaning gadgets. Let's browse and see what do we have. So you have this one also. Another one. So we have a lot of products. So this is from Amazon. This other one is from Amazon, but it's a video. You can download this video. This one is from Shein. So let's see if we can find something from Amazon. So let's just go with this one. For example, we will choose this one. We will take the image, download the image, and then we'll click on create and click on create idea pin. It will open in a new tab, and then we will proceed to create our post. We'll drag this image, drop it here, and it's uploading. Then we will add our title, which is this title, copy, and then drop it right in here. Then we will take the description, copy also, drop it in here. Then we will proceed to get a link. So let's go and see and check this link to see this product. So this is the name of the product, as we can see in here. So we can just take the name of the product, copy, and drop it on our Amazon search box. So let's see which one is the actual one that we are looking for. I think this is it. Yes, it's the one that we are looking for. So let's go with this one. We click on it, and this is our product. So you just wait for it to be uploaded, and then we will take the affiliate link from this text. By clicking on text, you can take your affiliate link. So let's take the link, click on text, and this is our affiliate link. Copy and drop it on Pinterest. Then let's head to the next step, which is the most important step. It's where we can make this post work, or where we can fail this post, and it's the tags adding. So we need to add as much tags as we can add, and we also need to add only the tags that are related to our niche or topic. And that's to reach the right audience that are willing to pay for this product, and those who has in need for this product. So let's start with home cleaning as a keyword. Home cleaning. Let's also go with home gadgets. So you can select as much tags as you want. Let's go with home maintenance, home management also. So guys, make sure to choose a lot of tags and make sure all of them are aligned with your topic or niche to reach the most good audience for your niche. Let's go with home hacks. And after you're done with adding your tags, you just double check the title, description, your post as a whole, your link, and then you hit publish. So you wait for it for some seconds and it will be published. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.